Good morning, everyone. So today we'll see the remaining organizations, and we are completing today with the international organization part. From tomorrow we'll see some other part of static awareness. Is that okay? So starting with ILO, that is International Labour Organization. Its headquarters is in Geneva, Switzerland. It was founded in 1919. Director General of this organization is Gay Ryder. Next one is IMO, that is International Maritime Organization. It was founded in 1948. Secretary General of this organization is Keta Kleem, and its headquarters is in London, UK. Next one is ICC, that is International Cricket Council. Its headquarters is in Dubai, UAE, and it was founded in 1909. Chief Executive Officer of ICC is Manu Sohane. Chairman is Imran Khwaja, and right now he is interim chairman of ICC. Next one is again ICC, but here it is International Chamber of Commerce. Its headquarters is in Paris, France. It was founded in 1919. Secretary General of this organization is John W.H. Dutton AO, and chairman is Ajay Pal Singh Banga. Next one is IOC, that is International Olympic Committee. Its headquarters is in Lausanne, Switzerland. Secretary General is President is Thomas Bach, and Director General is Christopher D. Kepper. Now the next one is NATO, that is North Atlantic Treaty Organization. Its headquarters is in Brussels, Belgium. It was founded in 1949, and the Secretary General of this organization is Jens Stoltenberg. Next one is OPEC, that is Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries. Its headquarters is in Vienna, Austria. It was founded in 1960. The Secretary General of this organization is Mohammad Barkendino. Next one is SAARC, that is South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. Its headquarters is in Kathmandu, Nepal, and what was founded in December 1985. Now the 8 member countries of SAARC are Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Maldives, and Pakistan. Okay. Now the Secretary General of SAARC is Esela Ruvan Verakon, who is from Sri Lanka. Next one is UNESCO, that is United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. Its headquarters is in Paris, France. It was founded in 1945, and the head of UNESCO is Audrey Azoulay, who is also from France. Next one is FIFA, Federation Internationale de Football Association, or International Federation of Association Football. Now the headquarters of FIFA is in Zurich, Switzerland, and it was founded in 1904. Secretary General is Fatima Samora. Next is WTO, that is World Trade Organization. Its headquarters is in Geneva, Switzerland, and it was founded in 1995. Director General is Roberto Azevedo, who is from Brazil. Next one is WHO, that is World Health Organization. Again, its headquarters is in Geneva. Now, the most of the organizations has its headquarters in Geneva. Now, the WHO was founded in 1948. Director General is Tedros Adhanom, who is from Ethiopia. Next one is WMO, World Meteorological Organization. Headquarters is in Geneva, Switzerland, and it was founded in 1950. Secretary General is Petteri Talhas, and who is from Finland. President is Gerhard Adrian, who is from Germany. Next one is WIPO, that is World Intellectual Property Organization. Its headquarters is in Geneva, Switzerland. Was founded in July 1967. Director General is Darren Tang, who is from China. And the last one is WEF, that is World Economic Forum, whose headquarters is in Colony, Switzerland, and was founded in 1971. Founder is called Sachab, and he is from Germany. So we have finally completed the international organization part today. From tomorrow we will discuss some other part of static awareness, and we'll cover one by one in each of the videos. Okay, so thank you so much for today. We'll continue in the next videos.